Emily.
I'm Jenna.
And guess what? We're about to imitate something that's like freezing
Cover
your
your
hand
ears!
and then it falls off.
Yeah, it's like it freezes your hand and then it shatters and then no hand.
I'm warning you. Cover
Okay,
your ears.
ready? 1,
Cover
2,
your ears.
3.
How are you doing?
I'm pretty
Viewers, cover your ears.
It tickles. Oh god, it hurts. It hurts.
Okay,
it
now
hurts,
it's
it
turning.
hurts.
Ow.
That hurt. Okay, now, next thing we're going to do is I'm going to try and put a bracelet on Jenna.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Emily, get back.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Serious? Okay, I bite. Okay, next person is Squishy. Jody, come here.
Come on, Joni.
Special guest.
You are. Go.
Okay, Jody. You get to. I'm standing.
You let her squeak squishy, but she won't let me squeak squishy.
Yes, I let her squeak squishy.
Bravo! Yeah! Now do
You may think this is a dog toy, but it is not a dog toy. It was a keychain, and it squeaks. Ow. Okay, anyway, back to stupid at school. Again. If you notice, this is like our spot where we do it.
I'm gonna go.
And there's a tree. Just go around, people.
Of course, there's an audience.
Woo! Wow! Studio audience! Star Wars! Anyway, I like Squishy.
You suck.
You what?
The shark.
Come here! Caleb, run!
And now you are witnessing a very horrible gruesome. I think we should step off. Something. Here we go. The wrestling segment.
Fight, Squishy, fight! Go Squishy! Woo! Squishy won. Squishy. Squishy won. Ha! You still suck. Shut up.
Amber, right back.
I am going to learn to
Hey,
fly.
Trey.
I am going to fly a plane.
And then
Anyway, now what?
Okay, people. For the first time ever, I'm gonna let Jenna squeak Squishy.
I want to get a close up.
Ready? Okay.
Okay, that's it.
Right.
You suck too.
Go away, Emily.
I found the big root.
Oh, it's mine. I'm gonna throw it.
Anyway, now what?
Okay, now people. Over here. Okay. We're gonna beatbox with Squishy. Are you ready, Jenna?
Yep.
You ready for this? Okay, ready, set, go.
How thrilling!
Don't you just love watching white people dance?
Squishy sucks.
I was dancing.
Oh, you move.
And beatbox.
And beatbox. Yeah.
Yeah.
Squishy was awesome.
Whoa!
Yeah.
He was bad. It's a he, but he has eyelashes.
And
Look
purple
how
eyes.
pretty.
And he loves eating poo.
Nathan, that's gross.
I'll show you.
Okay, people, we're wrapping it up here because we're getting kind of bored and we have nothing else to say.
There are crazy people around us.
And there might be footballs flying anywhere.
It's not my fault.